Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with the high shadow fade. We switching it up. He used to go with the temp fade, but today we're gonna go ahead and do a different hairstyle. So I start off by combing his hair, lifting all of the hair off the scalp for a smooth transition with my guards. So I'm gonna start off by using my lever fully open since we're going shadow today. Setting my first guideline, stand below his occipital bone, in the back of his head, so I can have that as a guide to make sure I don't go above that. I'm starting at his vertical bars right there. Just making sure I'm consistent with everything to make sure it's a very smooth transition. As you see, I'm gonna go over it multiple times to make sure everything is an even cut. So now I'm going halfway. I'm staying below that line now to start building that transition. After that, I clean my canvas by dusting off all the excess hair. Now I'm going with the one fully closed, about a ½ inch above the first guideline when I had the lever all the way open. This is more of an advanced way of doing it. I usually go lever open, but at this time I was trying to kill time and hurry up and get my next client in the way. So as you see, I'm not going that much higher above that first guideline. You just have to trust the process. Like I said, I just have the lever fully closed because I have another client that I'm trying to get out the way, so stay tuned. Fully closed, like I said, I'm going over it multiple times to make sure that guideline is set in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my lever too, piece by piece, but right now I'm going halfway in between. Starting to stretch that fade. As you see, I'm just staying consistent, making sure I'm flicking out piece by piece. So right there, I'm going with my half guard, my 0.5. So like I said, lever fully open, and then I went halfway, then I used the one fully closed, and then now I went with the half guard fully closed in between that line as well, staying below that guideline. Now I'm just removing hair. I have my 1.5, I'm going down, going with the grain to kind of give that smooth transition as I build the fade. And I'm going against the grain as well, as you see. Today we're going natural, so I'm not doing any enhancements. I wanted to upload this video so I can show you how a high shadow fade looks without any enhancements. As you see, I'm using a 1.5 guard. Now I'm going against the grain, setting a new guideline to have that smooth transition. He has a new job opportunity as a police officer, so I had to make sure he was smooth. Watch how I blend piece by piece. You see I comb as I fade to make sure I know where I'm at with it. Very smooth transition, piece by piece. Went back with my number 1 guard, as you see. I'm just making sure I'm blending everything smooth, staying consistent with everything. And then I'm gonna do my detail work in between the cuts. As you see, the transition is slowly blending. Everything's starting to smooth out, but I'm still going over, as you see. See how I'm making that blend hit a little bit more by going with the grain as well. So now I'm just lining him up. On his beard and mustache, and then I'm gonna line him up as well. Just like that, very smooth. He said he's excited for his new job, so I went ahead and made sure I got him situated so he can go ahead and have a great opportunity with his rest of his training and things like that, so he could be confident in his new work environment, you know. So as you see, I'm still detailing as I go, piece by piece. See a real smooth blend, nice shadow. Not too high, not too low. Like I said, I'm just detailing some more. Making sure everything is consistent. I went ahead and knocked down the front of his taper, his hairline, so I can have a very smooth transition as far as lining him up. Like I said, we're going natural today, so y'all stay tuned. Look how I'm placing my trimmers. You see how I keep dipping into my enhancement pencil to make sure I can see where I'm at with it. Very smooth transition, as you can see. Look at that lineup, man. Y'all better stop playing. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. My barber page at bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all see a little bit of razor action as I go. Yes, sir. I'm gonna make sure I get the rest of the hair off his neck and everything once I'm done. Look at that transition, man. Stop playing. Big shout out to all my subscribers, everybody supported me along my journey as I went into my new suite. Yes, sir. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, spread the word. Let's go. There you go.